kids! Welcome to Funtale Kid. Today, we're in the kitchen, where yummy magic happens. Let's learn about some cool kitchen tools. This is a spoon. We use it to scoop and stir food. Yum, yum! Here comes the fork. It helps us pick up food to eat. Poke, poke. This is a plastic knife. It's safe for kids and great for cutting soft fruits like bananas. Look at these measuring cups. They help us add just the right amount of flour, milk, or water. And these are measuring spoons for tiny bits like salt and sugar. This is a mixing bowl. We mix all our ingredients inside it. Say hello to the whisk. It loves to mix eggs and batter. Fast, fast, fast. Here comes the rolling pin. Roll out dough to make cookies or pizza. This is a spatula. Flip pancakes or spread jam with it. Look, it's a colander. It helps wash fruits and veggies. Splash, splash. This is a grater. It shreds cheese or carrots into little pieces. These are tongs. They grab food safely, no burns. Time to wear your apron. It keeps you clean while you cook. Great job, little chefs. Now you know so many kitchen tools. Say them with me one more time. Spoon, fork, knife, cup. Measuring, mixing, don't give up. Whisk, bowl, and rolling pin. Cooking fun will now begin. Thanks for learning with us. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Funtale Kid. Bye-bye, little chefs.